Hello everyone, in this video we will understand level of measurements along with possible statistical options which we can perform on individual scales in just few minutes. Okay, so just to recapitulate, nominal scale is having categories without any order. Ordinal scale is having categories with some order, but we cannot quantify the difference between 2 points. Interval and ratio scale are example of quantitative data. Interval scale is having order and constant interval size, but it does not have true 0 point because if we change unit of measurement, we get different values. For example, 0 degree centigrade is 32 degree Fahrenheit. So there is no true 0. 0 point is arbitrary. While ratio scale is nothing but interval scale plus true 0 point. For example, height, weight. Okay, so now coming to the first point in this table, which is the order of value is known. So as I told you, nominal scale is having no order. Okay, but ordinal, interval and ratio scale is. The next point is counts or frequency. So suppose if we have data in nominal form like gender, we have male and female. So yes, we can count number of males and females in our data. So we can count data in case of nominal scale. Obviously, we can count data in ordinal scale also. Suppose we have categories like stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. So we can count number of patients falls under the category of stage 1, number of patients falls under the category of stage 2 and so on. Similarly, we can count in case of interval scale, like we can count how many days in a month the temperature was 40 degrees centigrade and how many days it was 35 degrees centigrade. And of course, similarly in ratio scale also we can count how many students in my class is having a age of 25 years. Okay, the next point in the table is mode. So because we can count in case of nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio scale, we can compute the mode. Mode is what? Mode is the most repeated value. So as far as we can count, we can compute the mode. Median is what? Median is middle value of the data. So for getting the middle value of the data, we have to arrange data either in ascending or descending order. And as you know, nominal data is not having any order. So we cannot compute median in case of nominal data. This is the logic. Okay, but of course in case of ordinal, interval and ratio scale, we have order. So we can compute median. Similarly, we can compute mean only in case of interval and ratio scale when there is a constant interval size. We can quantify the difference between each value only in case of interval and ratio scale. We can add or subtract values only in case of interval and ratio scale. But multiplication and division is possible only in ratio scale because only this scale is having a true 0 point, which is the last point of this table. So this is the summary of nominal, ordinal, interval and ratio level of measurements. Hope you understand this concept. Thank you.